HP launches new Envy and ZBook laptops. HP has today unveiled its latest HP ZBook Studio, HP ZBook Create laptops and refreshed its Envy 13, Envy 15, and Envy 17 laptops with 10th Gen Intel chips and new graphics card options. HP ZBook Studio, ZBook Create specifications. HP ZBook Studio sports a 15.6-inch 10-bit 4K Pantone certified Dreamcolor HDR 400 and comes with Intel Xeon processor and NVIDIA Quadro graphics, whereas the ZBook Create offers Intel Core i9 processor with NVIDIA RTX 2080 Super graphics that got announced earlier this month. To control the performance, HP offers a Z power slider. With its new vapor cooling chamber, liquid crystal polymer, and Z predictive fan algorithm that intelligently manages fan behavior based on the workflow, HP strives to keep the thermals in check while offering up to 17.5 hours of battery life. The laptops use 150 Hz roll-off bass and speakers custom tuned by Bang & Olufsen, which HP believes offers the highest levels of bass on any HP notebook. HP ZBook Studio and ZBook Create will be available in August. HP has not revealed the pricing just yet. HP Envy 15 specifications. Coming to HP Envy 15, the laptop offers a 15.6-inch 4K OLED VESA certified display HDR True Black display, enabling 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and 100,000 to 1 contrast ratio with 400 nits brightness. There is a 10th Gen Intel Core i9 H series processor with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Max-Q and 32GB of DDR4 RAM. For thermals, it features a vapor chamber and two 12-volt fans, which according to HP, offers 33% more processing power during intensive workloads. As far as the storage is concerned, there is up to 2 TB PCIe SSD. For connectivity, the laptop features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. HP promises up to 16.5 hours of battery life with a battery that charges 50% in 45 minutes. Notably, this is HP's first laptop in the Envy series to have a layer of glass on top of the touchpad. The company says this move is to ensure a smooth touch experience. It also features a new feature called HP Quick Drop to quickly transfer files across PC, iPhone, and Android. HP Envy 15 is expected to be available in June at a starting price of $1,349. It will retail through HP.com, Amazon, Costco.com, Office Depot, and other US retailers. Meanwhile, HP has refreshed its 2019 Envy lineup, Envy 13, X 360 15 and 17 with 10th generation Intel Core processors and NVIDIA GeForce MX 330 graphics or AMD Ryzen Radeon graphics and Wi-Fi 6. HP promises up to 18.5 hours of battery life on Envy X 360 15 and 11 hours of battery life on Envy 17. On the other hand, HP Envy X 360 14 equips AMD Ryzen 4000 series processor, Wi-Fi 5, and now offers up to 17.5 hours of battery life. All of these laptops except Envy 17 will be available in early May. HP Envy 13 starts at $999.99 whereas Envy X 360 13 retails at a starting price of $699.99. Envy X 360 15 will retail at $699.99 for the AMD variant and $849.99 for the Intel variant. HP Envy 17 is available now at $1,099.99.